To make money on Robinhood with $10, you need to understand the basics of investing in the Robinhood platform. First, download the Robinhood app and create an account, which is free and easy to do. Once your account is set up, deposit the $10 into your account, which will be your initial investment. Next, you need to choose what to invest in, such as stocks, options, or ETFs. With $10, your options may be limited, but you can still make money. Consider investing in penny stocks or low-cost ETFs. Penny stocks are stocks that trade for under $1, and they can be volatile, but they also have the potential for high returns. Another option is to invest in ETFs, which are a type of investment fund that tracks a specific index, such as the S&P 500. ETFs are diversified, so they can be less risky than individual stocks. Look for ETFs with low fees and a low minimum investment requirement. Once you have chosen what to invest in, you need to place your order. On Robinhood, you can place market orders, limit orders, or stop-loss orders. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will execute at a specific price that you set. A stop-loss order will sell your investment if it falls to a certain price, which can help limit your losses. It is also important to understand the fees associated with investing on Robinhood. Robinhood does not charge commissions on trades, but you may still pay other fees, such as management fees for ETFs. Be sure to read the fine print and understand all the fees before you invest. To maximize your returns, you need to have a solid investment strategy. Consider a long-term approach, where you hold on to your investments for at least a year. This can help you ride out market fluctuations and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. You should also diversify your portfolio, which means spreading your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. Finally, be patient and disciplined, and do not invest more than you can afford to lose. Investing always involves risk, and there is no guarantee that you will make money. However, with a solid understanding of the basics and a well-thought-out strategy, you can increase your chances of success. By following these steps and being mindful of the risks, you can make money on Robinhood with $10 and start building your investment portfolio.